Mama Christy in Wellum as I'm on. But now we should have been there. They need a doctor. Ota Wanile Abiala.
Cheese. We just got back.
Oh, hey, Piki, no, Mama. Hey, look on Majo Maki. Tineke one bia. Elizabeth in the mo, Gula Nuloke. Tall. Oh, no. Oh, hey, Maggi, come on down, my dear. Oh, no, one day within.
Everything?
You are back home?
Yes.
From?
We came from New York.
New York.
New York.
New York.
New York. Okay.
Hey.
New.
And
New.
York. Beautiful. I'm so glad. Oh, you come. You from how much are here?
Yeah.
You're from here?
Yeah. And on my channel side?
What's my side?
Yeah.
Beauty.
Yeah, thank you.
Beauty. Oh, welcome. Oh,
thank you.
Oh, sisters,
Yes.
mother born one.
Yeah.
Otunne.
Yeah.
Wow. In name?
Oh, you want to go? Look at you.
Youngest. Okra.
Huh?
Okra.
Okra?
Okra, like okra soup.
Okra.
Yeah. Like the soup.
I got okra.
Okra.
Hey! Ebe! Okra nkete. Maka Chineke ndị omekpata aka n'obodo. Ihe a ga-eji ga-esi. Ejigo si fisherman soup gị bọkịrị. Okra ọcha. Ị ga-alụ. Hey, okra ahụ na m ga okra wụsa. Ay, okra modem. Okra modem. No, oh. Aha gị kwa nwa ka ịgba ala dị mkpa nga ka ogologo gwụrụ. Ibu ndụ.
Period sis.
Period girl. Chai. Unu dị mma. Aha gị nne m.
Militant. Is it that you don't like it?
Militant.
I don't know.
Militant. I don't like Ujaha. They don't tell you to go militant.
It's cute.
Still.
We call her Millie Baby for short.
Mini baby.
Millie Baby.
Eh, mini baby. What the to one and I could like to. Mini baby, where you okay? Militant. Hey, Imanama, you beautiful.
Thank
you.
Yeah.
Everything is completed into you.
Yes, girl.
Congratulations, Omam. No. I don't care.
My name is Payments.
Pavement.
Payments.
As in money?
Payment.
Or you can call me Akanyinwa.
Akonye.
Akanyinwa.
Egaza makuruji. Aga kpoga akaebe.
That's not my name.
But I be akwa bi ntana ne. Ele ta kpogo militant kpogo ya aha unu niile bacha na aha cooking equipment.
What's your own name? This one she insulting her name. What's your own name?
Chiefimo worldwide. Am I the Chiefimo you hear all over the world? It's me.
Oh.
It's special uncle to every person
Oh,
that
really?
has.
So you're uncle too now?
Yeah, to uncle on.
Okay.
Hey, mama.
Oh, thank you.
It's a go payment.
Payments.
I want to know your kuru. Akubed.
No, I'm too expensive.
Akwani how you got walker.
I'm too expensive. They can't afford me.
When I'm expensive to go now.
Yeah.
Now so call Parker. Oh. I got to work too much.
What can I say? So,
hey.
Yeah.
Ogologo dimba.
There it is.
Ogologo dimba.
It is.
Ndị mpeda na ekiti on ha wo brief illness. Na like this they go dey. Calling on here. Sugar. Ebe. Esther ga agboto na ebe. Oh. No manama.
Thank you.
Beautiful guest.
Thank you.
Marriage.
No. You want for me?
Okay, look at it. Ngi kwan.
No.
Ngi. No marriage.
No.
Look at manya. I'm not me too. No marriage.
Are you sure? I know how the village men used to lie.
Widower.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Oh, don't cry. okay. You know what? You know why they call me? You know what? You know why they call me payments? 'Cause I used to give people. So please, just manage this. I don't have much, but take this small dollar and don't cry. Oh, just hold it.
$100.
$100. That's what they call me, payments, girl.
Nico, you not pay my guy.
Yes.
Ew. Payment wahaga.
Mm-hmm.
You go answer payment too. Everybody here na payment.
Do you have account details? They don't have any more cash. We gave it out on the street.
Yeah.
They said pure water is $100. I don't know, so we just gave it to them.
I'm POP.
POP.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, if you give me the account details, we can work something out.
Not. Phone.
Yeah, Chelsea, okra. Okay. Thank you.
Not.
We don't have much. I hope is 1 million okay?
1 million, sir. It's too much.
Are you just too much? Okay.
Come on, go on.
Okay, it's too much?
No,
It's not enough. I don't know the currency. I don't know how you
1 million. I be everybody 1 million.
What's that in dollars? Like $30?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, not bad. Okay, just type here.
Hey, the photo is you.
That's me.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
My wife photo.
But wait, how old are you?
I'm kindergarten.
You're in kindergarten.
I can't call on a family.
Oh.
Family, we get to old age, fast old, rapid growth. My age is small, but to face old.
Look old.
Family. If you see my mama, 40 years, but she look
like,
100.
Are you serious?
Oh, here no guy, I get one.
then-
The bend why I bend, not be say I just bend. Yeah, our family bending.
Oh.
If you bend for Christ, say bend low, bend low,
Bend
bend
low.
low, bend low, bend low, bend low, bend low. So as I bend to see what the Lord can do, to rise, I will no problem. And I remain bended. So I don't have bended kind of way to so here cause of this bend.
Okay.
So everything is bent. As you they come into family now,
It's genetic.
anybody who will marry, piam,
No. I don't want that. Oh, God forbid. Please, where's that payment? I don't want again. I don't want again.
Say,
That payment I
money.
give you now.
money where don't enter pocket.
Give me now.
Me go bring us out.
Let's go, girls. I don't want to. I'm not.
This one is funny. I don't like.
Mpialalo na to no job. To Pialalo is not a cause. It's heritage. Hey, umajika mana nne m no na agbali ala no to Igbo. Asụtụ Igbo asụtụ Bekee ha weto kwesịrị ịdị. Umajilo tulo they behave homely. Owo ha mucho ụmụ gị kpụrụ atụrụ kpọlalo. These ones are okay. No na enyere m eto m ọpụ. Hey, ahụ ka atọ lụ telekwushi ha ka nọ tụkọ ebe perfume ọma. Hey. Ebe ụmụazịka agba ihe ụnụ gbara na ha eji arụta ụlọ elu imagination ndụ ọ sị anọghị na York ha ndị York nwa mkpem ego na amawo dị ụmụ ka anya okra ụmụazị akọrọ ego okra